Focus on me, you sucker. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm hyper right now and I need fucking help. Anyways guys, what is up? How are you guys doing this wonderful, beautiful day? It is currently a Sunday, sunny afternoon in sunny California. Is it sunny outside? I haven't been outside not once yet. And it's 1 o'clock. I'm a creature of the night. I don't go outside. Yes! Nighttime. It's like really not that serious. Anyways, you guys, what is up? Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a full-blown, hold on, I'm getting it. Hold on, I'm reaching. A full-blown Boxycharm unboxing video. Today's video, I am partnering with Boxycharm. And I told them, I was like, listen, I'm down to do a Boxycharm unboxing, trying on the products. However, I'm gonna be extremely honest about these products and see if I like them, if I think the box is worth it, is it gonna be good enough? We will see. Right now, I've not opened it yet. So thank you so much to Boxycharm for partnering with me in today's video. It's actually really funny because the reason this even came about was because I was talking to them and I was like, there's an ad floating around of me playing before YouTube videos of me doing an Boxycharm unboxing, and it was from, I think, literally like 4 years ago. Pre-teeth, pre-hairline, really, really yellow, tongue ring. So I'm like, bitch, I need to do another one. That needs to not float around anymore. Okay, we've been through some things, so we need to do another unboxing. And today we're gonna be doing a July unboxing. Basically, you guys, how Boxycharm works is you pay $21 a month and they give you 4 to 5 products every single month in a box. And it's always valued over $100 for the products. And honestly, of all the subscription services I've ever seen, like in the beauty space, I think Boxycharm is the best one because they give you full-size products. That's just my personal opinion. I will be honest with you guys. I've seen a lot of them out there, but I think Boxycharm is the one that I'm like, that's some good ass shit in a box. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. As always, if you guys don't like this video, if you guys don't like me, please don't fucking watch it. You know the drill with that. Don't watch it if you don't like me, it's all good. But if you guys do like this video, please go and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'd really, really appreciate that. Let's go and go into today's video and let's see what the fuck is in this motherfucking box. That was actually really easy to cut. Here we go, you guys. There's things in here. Okay, what is the theme? There's like always a theme every single month. It comes like a cute little card and a theme with it. This one is the Boxycharm Au Naturale. Right? Is that how you say that?
Au Naturel.
Au Natural with an E. Anyways, guys, so that's what we're gonna have. So we're gonna just go right in and see. We have this Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Nourishing Prebiotic. I can't read. I love not reading. Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask Advanced Skincare. This guy retails for $35. It is a green goodness with treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. So basically how you would apply it is apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur. Okay. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp cloth. Luckily I have clean skin. I already washed my face. I took a shower earlier. So I'm gonna be applying this bad bitch right now. I'm literally gonna be just trying these on and see what I think of them. I also told Boxycharm, I'm like, yo, like if I don't like a product in here, I'm gonna be very vocal about me not liking it, and they were very, very understanding of that because I'm like, I'm an opinionated whore. I just am, okay? Maybe I'm a little hyper because I'm drinking pre-workout but not going to the gym. That could be a problem. Okay guys, so let's go and try this bitch on. So this guy retails for $35. The box is $21, like you're already getting your money back, just one product. So I do think that's really freaking amazing. We're gonna get a healthy amount. This is a very light green. It looks like it would be like an avocado mask. Okay guys, so we're gonna go and apply this onto the skin. Move it for 10 minutes. Okay, great. So we do it for 10 minutes. We're applying our little masca. It doesn't say like do a small layer or a thick layer or a thin layer. It doesn't say anything like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the mask. It smells so good. Oh my God, it smells like health, wealth, and happiness. That's what that smells like, ma'am. It smells rich. No tingling yet, thank God. I don't want anything to tingle. I really just don't want things to tingle right now. I'm not in the mood. Okay, so I'm just applying this. I'm gonna avoid my beard because I never apply masks on my beard area. What is this smell? Oh my God, you guys, this smell is just something so specific, like a medical grade spa. Okay, cool. So we're gonna go and let that sit for 10 minutes. We're literally gonna put a fucking alarm for 10 minutes. Start. How are you guys doing? While this is drying, why don't we go ahead and talk about something sickening, like that we really need to talk about, like Mulan. I just saw the preview for Mulan right now, and literally I wanted to scream. Bitch, when I tell you I lost my fucking shit, my wig is in orbit after that trailer. It just looks so good. And it looks so intense. I do hope that they do have like their campy, you know, Disney Mulan element, but I'm still very excited because Mulan was one of my favorite movies of all fucking time. Oh my God, while this is drying, let's go ahead and go through the box. What is wrong with me? Let's do that. So next we have the Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, serving queendom realness. This is like nice. So this is the palette right here. Comes with 6 shades. It's a cute color story. It's like warm, that pop of blue. It's actually really adorable. 2 mattes, 4 shimmers. How much does retail for? This is a $32 palette. Bring out the inner goddess in Butter London's vibrant natural goddess eyeshadow palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. This is actually really freaking cute. Like, I honestly think this is really cute. Some of the shades right. I just watched the shimmery shades right here. Mira que linda. Let's feel the mattes. Oh my god, the mattes feel incredible. Oh my god. This shade, Temptress, is my favorite shade because it just felt amazing. And the blue one, Femme Fatale, also felt amazing. I actually like the mattes more than I like the shimmers. The shimmers felt good, but I mean, like they could be better. You know what I mean? Like there's slightly, like there's a little bit of a chunk to them. But the mattes, I was very, very impressed with. So as I said, this guy, it honestly feels really, really nice. Like it's a pretty hefty, nice feeling palette. I'm gonna actually use it on my eyes and we're gonna see exactly what I actually think of them. After the swatches, I have hope. Next we have this product right here. This is the Luxie Gia Gay. We're gonna call it the Luxie Gay. It's like the month after Pride, okay? We're still prideful. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to Earth. Please keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. How sweet! It comes with 3 brushes in here. Wait, what the fuck? I'm living. We have brushes too. Wait, I'm gagged. We have a Luxie 246, Luxie 250, and a Luxie 510. Foundation brush, large eye blending brush, and a precision crease brush. Baby, this ain't no precision crease brush, but we'll let you have that one. Large blender, and a foundation. I could use this for the fucking mask, dude. I could use this for mask. Anyway, guys, what does this retail for? The 3-piece brush set retails for $30, and it's to create your perfect look with the new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. And it's eco-friendly. So we will be using these when I'm using the eyeshadows as well. We're gonna be trying these out. I'm not a huge fan of like these kind of foundation brushes. I actually use brushes like this for masks. That's what I use them for. I'm just not a fan of using them for foundation. So I honestly won't use it for foundation because I won't like get a good tell from it. I should have used this for the mask. If I would have known, I would have. What is next? We have this from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Mother of Pearl Gloss. Juicy, shade shifting, lip luminizer, drenched in pearlescent reflect. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and Camilla oil. Wow, hydrate your lips with delivering a smooth, shining iridescence effect. It's very gold. And this guy's retails for $10. Okay, so it's a gloss. Oh, it feels very smooth. Oh my god. I love smooth, non-sticky glosses, and this feels like that. It feels almost like a lip treatment. Can y'all see that shit right there? Can you see that reflection? The reflection is real. We're gonna be using that as well today. Last but not least, we have a gel liner from Appeal, which define your eyes or lips with your new gel liner. Lips too? Who the fuck is using this on their lips? Okay, I thought it was black and it's not. It's actually a deep brown. Makes sense now. Appeal Deep Taupe. It's Deep Taupe. I swear to God, every time I watch Schitt's Creek, I want to talk like Moira, because you know how she talks, but it's not like a real form of words.
I had just had my eyelashes dyed. Everything was cloudy.
That's what I want to talk like. Okay, so we have Deep Taupe by Appeal, and it's a gel liner. Be pigmented, please. Oh, it is pigmented. It's actually more of a satin. My timer! Okay, yeah, it's actually honestly pigmented. It is. It's really, really quite nice. But it's definitely, it feels so like creamy and satiny. It's like not a matte formula by any means. We'll use that as well. Have you washed off the mask? Give me a second. Hate to see me go, but you love to watch me leave, huh? I just wiped my face. I just washed it off with a cloth, like it said. And honestly, guys, it feels very nice. I mean, it's a veggie mask. Like, it's gonna refresh your skin. It's gonna make it look a little more brighter, a little bit less dull, and just softer. And I do feel like my skin is softer, for sure. And more plump, I would say. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and actually try on all the products. We'll be right the fuck back. Let me do my complexion, my base, and then we'll go from there. Are you ready to fucking jingle some fucking bells? Sup, bitches? Sup? Name's Pauly D. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so we are back. The face is pretty much on and it's done. I'm testing out some new products. Not from like Lunar Beauty, but I'm just testing out like some new makeup I have here. So I'm gonna go in and just go in with the eyes. I already primed my eyes. And we're gonna go in and use some of these motherfucking goodies. So when looking at this palette right here, the little Butter London palette, it has no transition shade, obviously. So we're gonna go in with a different palette for that. I'm gonna take Life's a Drag. I'm taking this on this Luxie brush. I wish that the Luxie brush, honestly, was a little bit looser. Like, I feel like it's almost too compact. Like, this does not seem like a good blending brush, a fluffy blending brush, because it's so dense. Does that make any sense? Like, I almost like need the bristles to be a little bit like looser because they're so intense. But I mean, it definitely gets the job done. Like, look, it deposits the color nicely, blends nicely. It's pretty easy of a brush to use. It's just very large. So I'm like, I like a little bit more precision for me personally, but it definitely will get the job done. I mean, just a cute ass little, you know, eye brush. And I'm just taking the shade Sickening from my palette. I'm putting that into the crease. Okay, let's put that there. Okay, so now that we have the transition color down, I'm gonna go in with the actual colors from the palette itself. I'm gonna go in with the shade Temptress, which is that really deep, gorgeous, chocolatey fucking brown. This brown really just, for some reason, does some nice things to me, to my bosom. It's a little powdery, but you know, it's a fucking powder, so let's calm down. I'm gonna put that on the outer corner, and this is on a Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just gonna deepen the outer corner itself out there. Whoa, a little goes a long way. Oh my God. Very pigmented. Very pigmented. I know, super pigmented. I know. I put too much on. I agree. I agree, 100%. I'm going back in with more of that transition shade just to kind of help me blend. Because I feel like I went a little too in with that Temptress shade because it is very dark. Dude, that spot on my eye, it just doesn't take fucking color. Do you see this? You see that little spot right there where the brush is? My eye rejects me. And it devastates me every damn time. This palette, you guys, it is more of a, like, you know, obviously it has like the neutrals in it, but it's more of a pop palette. Like, there's no transition shades in here. It's not the palette that you're gonna like travel with you to like have everything all you need in one. This is not that palette. This is more of a just toss it on for a date night if you want to be cute and festive kind of palette. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so there's that right there. So it's just like really blowing out outer corner. You guys, I'm feeling frisky. What if we take that appeal liner and we smoke out our lash line and see what the lash line does to us? Like, we do it down here as our like little base. Wouldn't that be cute? Let's try it. So the liner is going on very easily. It has a sheen to it, you guys. Not a sheen, it's not like a shimmer. It just has like, it's not fully matte of an eyeliner, but it glides very nicely. Okay, I see what you're doing right there. I'm picking up what you're putting down, sweetie. I'm just gonna blend out that deep chocolate shade. Blends extremely easily as well because it's literally a gel pencil. Because it's so slippery of a liner, you have a lot of leeway time to kind of blend and play with it, which I really like. It doesn't dry fast. You have some time. I'm just kind of going for like a little bit of a sultry smoky right now, like very Kim K status, but literally not as pretty or as good. So far the gel liner is a win. I'm really liking this. I mean, you can see as I'm using it, it's so easy to apply and it blends super easily as well, as you guys can see. Like, it just moves. It moves! I like it a lot. The look of the Irish. I like it. A dainty woman. And then I'm gonna take that same brush, I'm gonna load Temptress again. And I'm gonna just kind of go over the lash line, just kind of give it some dimension and some depth. Basically, I'm setting the gel liner we just placed down to give us some dimension. See how just when you add that base, it just kind of gives you more of it. Like, look at the difference between the both of them. Baby. I've only used one shade though. Wait, what? Give me 1 second, we're using one more shade. We're gonna take the shade Enchantress. I'm taking that on this Luxie brush. I'm gonna use that on the inner corner as our inner corner pop. See that? Just kind of brightens up everything. It's like a really pretty satiny. Oh wow, it's pretty. It's actually really pretty. Oh, okay, Enchantress. Work. Okay, cute. I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look right here. I went ahead and I applied the shade Star right here underneath my lower lash line as well to give me like a kind of a green pop. I literally ran that little gel liner underneath it and I put it on top of it, and that's all I did. And I applied some lashes, and that's what the eye looks like so far. It's cute. It's like a cute little sultry, smoky kind of vibe. Like, I really like it. I think it's adorable. So now we're going with the lip, and we shall be done with our little unboxing. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. So we have this little gloss right here. So I already have lip liner on, by the way, you guys. Wow, that is gold. Oh my god, it smells like pineapple! Shut the actual fuck up. I did not realize it was gonna be this gold on my lips. So this is a very, very high shine gold gloss. Like it's very golden. It changed the whole shade of my lip. I had like a pinky lip liner on, and now it turned into like a full blown like peach. I think we're back at a peach at this point with adding that yellow into it. But it feels so smooth and so soft. It smells like pineapple. And that guy is for $10. That's so pretty. Oh my God, I love that. I really, 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 really like that one. Oh my gosh, I really like that. The color, if I wish it was a little bit less gold on me, I feel like I would have liked more of like a more clear or more pinky undertone, not so golden, but I still think it works really, really, really nicely with this look specifically. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. All in all, our Boxycharm box, what do we think? Honestly, guys, I truly think that for $21 a month, I think that Boxycharm truly is worth it. I honestly think it's amazing. The July box was bomb. Like, I think if you add up all the total, let's add it up. Let's literally add it up right now. 35 for the mask, plus 32 for the palette, plus 30 for the brush set, plus $10 for the gloss, plus 21 for the liner. It's a $128 value, and you're getting it for $21. So I truly do think that Boxycharm is the best subscription service. I just do. I really, 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 truly do. And honestly, I really like how the look turned out. The palette, the gloss, the mask, the brushes, the whole fucking thing. I live. This is the look. What do you think? For 21 bucks, bitch? What the fuck? That's fucking good. I'm excited to see what's in the August box. Okay, guys, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching it. I had so much fun doing it. Honestly, I want to do more of them. It just felt fun, and like literally like I'm unboxing products, trying them on for you guys and seeing what we think of them, whether we liked it or not. And honestly, for the most part, you guys, I did like most of these products for sure. I thought it was really great. I mean, especially for $21, I really don't think you can beat it. I think Boxy has the best subscription box. I just truly do. All in all, I'm living. Okay, guys, I love you guys so much. Have a great night or day wherever you guys are, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I love you. I feel like we're tilting. What just happened? Oh my God, you guys, we're tilting. Tilton Milton. Okay, let's try that again. Did that just get even worse? You know when you try to fix something, you make it way worse? Mood. Pop lock and drop it. So kidding. I would never. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I really don't. I've decided. What is wrong with me? I'm wigless. I am hairless, like a fucking mole rat. Ma'am, call the police. I can do it all night long, all night, ooh. Okay, now you're just getting crazy. Sickening fucking whore. Looking like a goddamn whore. But in a good way. Yeah.